Hi, what's cooking, Lakeville? My name is Krista Jack, and I'm the president of the Lakeville Area Chamber of Commerce. And I am here today with Mayor Doug Anderson.
Hello,
Doug,
everybody.
hi, how are
we
you?
had a great ride, didn't we?
Oh my gosh, that was so fun. Who knew? Doug, we have 56 miles of snowmobile trails right here in Lakeville.
It's pretty amazing, isn't it? And we can get all over the community, across Lake Marion, a lot of different places on snowmobile. And all that connects to the county trails, and then it goes beyond that across the state. And on top of that, the Snow Tracker Association, which takes care of all these snowmobile trails, and we're gracious enough to have these snowmobiles for us. They take care of it, they groom the trails, but they also groom the cross-country ski trails at Ritter Farm Park. And so if you've had the opportunity to be out there to cross-country ski, I know that's a favorite thing for me to do. We also have that in our community.
Exactly, and so we are here, obviously, we're in front of Rudy's Red Eye Grill, and we are in, what's kind of cool about Lakeville, and you talk about this a lot, Doug, is these pods that our community was designed in. And so we're calling this a pod. It's right here right off of 35 and Highway 70. And there's so many great things to do and restaurants to eat at when you're out on the trails and doing other winter activities. We've got pizza, we've got barbecue, we've got cupcakes, fine dining, fast food. Doug, did I miss any?
Well, we could talk a long time about all the restaurants we have in Lakeville, but this particular pod down here on 35 and I-70 is really vibrant. New things getting built all the time, expansions, and we're here today at Rudy's and looking really forward to meet the folks here and to try some of their food.
I think we should go in. Let's go in.
Let's go check it out.
Okay, we're inside and we're warm and we're here with Michael and Jessica. Hi.
Welcome to Rudy's. We're attached to the Holiday Inn and Suites, just off of 35 and 70. Can't miss us going north or south.
Well, and this was not always Rudy's. So Jessica, tell us a little bit about the history of this place.
Well, that's correct. Those who are Lakeville veterans will remember Jordan's Steakhouse. It was a country western theme. They did karaoke nights. They had a postage stamp dance floor, small bar. When we came in, we completely gutted it.
Well, it's gorgeous.
Yeah, there is a lot of history here, isn't there?
There is,
That's
yes.
for sure. So tell us a little bit about the menu.
Well, Rudy's, basically, we've got something to offer to everyone. So if you just want a quick bite, or you want to come in with some of your business partners, have a luncheon, or maybe just have a flirtini or a beer at the bar with some buddies of yours. We've got something that will be attractive to every level of client. So.
Well, and what about date night? I mean, I think this atmosphere is so, it can be kind of romantic if you want it to be, correct?
Absolutely.
Well, yeah, absolutely. And we do get a lot of couples coming in. A lot of anniversaries are celebrated here because it does have a coziness. You can find that little booth out in the corner to give you a little bit of privacy and intimacy too.
Well, and I think we're going to get to try one of your signature dishes, correct?
Yes, and it's actually one of my favorites. It's the pan-fried walleye. It's cracker crusted, topped with almond butter and slivered almonds, and then served with our teriyaki green beans and potatoes. And it's actually a wonderful dish.
Well, that sounds great.
It does.
Let's try it.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Awesome.
There we
Look
go.
at this.
Wow. Tell us about these.
Well, we've got our Big Easy pasta. It's tortellini, Creole cream, andouille sausage, peppers, onions, Parmesan cheese. Rich as can be, but wonderfully delicious. And here we've got the pan-fried walleye.
I feel like
This looks awesome.
we've got to try this, right?
We absolutely do.
I know.
Are you going to try that one?
I'm going to try this one.
You
You
sure
try
you
that
don't want
one.
the walleye?
Well, we could, there's plenty here, right? But
Share and share.
right? Okay. All right. Sounds good. Oh, Michael, that's excellent. It's so creamy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and the pasta is cooked perfectly.
Absolutely.
Well, this walleye's cooked to perfection, light and flaky. Taste is awesome. The almond, but you said almond butter
There's
on
almond
it, right?
butter?
Oh
Mhm.
boy.
Well, and again, portion size is good, right? I can have lunch the next day, and I think we need to bring our spouses out and have a little date night with these. So,
Absolutely.
Michael, thank you so much for your time. Doug, I think we're ready. We got to get back on our sleds and we got to go out to our next adventure.
Sounds great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Whether it's fine dining, a treat to complement your next adventure, or grab and go quick bites, Lakeville has over 90 dining experiences to choose from. check out LakevilleRestaurants.com to find out what's cooking.